I'm here to do a quick video for you guys. I know it's kind of weird. So now, LED headlight bulbs. The vendor sent me this for free. The H11 NAO LED headlight bulbs. Comes with an automotive installation manual. It's basically just plug and play, just like any other bulb. They have different bulb sizes, and they show you how to adjust the light pattern by changing this, turning this screw here on the side, and that's how you do it. So basically, I have a customer here that he has like the LED fog lights. Let me show you. So just if you could just like put the fog lights on real quick. Yeah, just turn in the second position and then so you can see what it looks like. So it's gonna turn on the headlight and then the fog light. See, that's the regular, right? So this is the regular halogen bulb that comes with the car. And this is the LED bulb right here. So this is what it's gonna look like with the LED in it. So what I'm gonna do is swap. This one already has one LED bulb in it, so I'm gonna swap this one and just show you guys how easy it is to just swap out the bulb. There you go, the bulb right here. You just unplug the bulb like this. You can turn it off the headlight. You just press on this tab here. So you just hold on to this tab right here, and then just press on the tab and pull out the bulb, the LED bulb. Just snap it in like this, and then take it and screw it into the right. So now we have the LED bulb in, screwed in, locked in, and this is the end result. LED fog lights. If you're interested in purchasing these, there'll be a link in the description to purchase them. If you guys have any questions, feel free to like, share, and subscribe, and ask. Just ask any questions if you guys want. Yeah. It's a simple plug and play process. That's it. And for the LED fogs. Give these fog lights, LEDs, a thumbs up.